guys, welcome to coronavirus times. I know most of us are staying indoors and are thinking of the ways in which we can keep our kids busy. So here I am sharing with you 5 indoor activities that you can do with your kids. So let's get started. I got these wooden beads from Dollar Tree and jars from Ikea. Diyan is sorting the beads in the respective jars. This activity is great for teaching sorting, counting and color recognition. 3, 4. Teach them that it's okay if the sorting goes wrong and encourage them to start the game all over again. Oh, I should have taken a bigger bowl. This is Diyan's favorite activity. All you need is bingo markers and a white sheet. I make different drawings on white sheet and let him color the way he wants. Involve yourself and even put up his drawings on the wall to make him feel happy. In this game, you just need a pipe cleaners and a basket like this. It's a great game for their hand and eye coordination. For this fine motor skill activity, you need a box, pom-pom and a plucker. I was surprised to see that Diyan was able to use both his hands equally well in this activity. I thought of teaching Diyan how his name spell, so we got this chalk graffiti, but instead he was just busy coloring on wall. But as soon as he saw his name, he was really happy and jumping around it. You can teach name, colors, body parts, shapes, and just have fun. I hope you guys like this video. Hit the bell icon to see more videos like this. If you want to see more kids indoor activities, then click the link below. Whatever I have used in this video, I'm going to write it in the description below. Share this video with your friends so that even they can engage their kids at home. Clean up, everybody, everyone.